We live in a vicarious world, and the principle of sacrifice is all around us. And so this short video looks at the idea of sacrifice. Our light and heat-giving sun sacrifices some 4 million tons of its mass every second in order to give us this light and heat. Animals and plants are sacrificed in order to provide each mouthful of food that we eat. Fossil fuels are made from the bodies of animals and vegetation that power our homes and our businesses and our transport. A donor is needed in order to give life to a patient in transplant surgery. All examples of the principle of sacrifice that's in our world. Our Bible, of course, recognises the principle of sacrifice, much in the Bible on this subject. Although also food for the priests, animals in huge numbers were sacrificed for sin. In this illustration of the agony of Christ in the Garden of Gethsemane, we learn something of the sacrifice that Christ made. In 1 Peter we read, Christ also hath once suffered for sins, the just for the unjust, that he might bring us to God. And in the second epistle to the Corinthians, Paul writes, He hath made him who knew no sin to be sin for us, that we might be made the righteousness of God in him.